our new face shields. Very easy to assemble and will protect your face from all the things. Okay, we have this plastic
Face
shield with 2 hooks, the strap with adjustable notches to fit your head size, and then a rubber band to tie it all together. So first, you put the strap on the side that's gonna touch your forehead. And you put that in there, and then come through on the other side. There's one. And then you come through, on the side. And come back in the back. There you go. Goes like that. Now for the back of the head, you take the rubber band, put it around this guy, like this. And you take the arrow and put it in whichever notch will fit your head. One. There you go. And there you go, face shield.